This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
In this long process, I believe you experience some conflicts within a Scrum team. Can you please share an experience where you had to resolve a conflict?
Yes. So some of the project that we have been working, I am actually as a Scrum Master and the product manager. We have actually the 10 other the same Scrum Master because it's one project, but there is a 10 teams is working. Okay. Each team actually collaboratively and they're going to deliver the project in 1 year. So the challenge happen is each team, each Scrum team has their own priority, their own sprint. But in some point, we have to meet them because of the integration. Because we have a 5 portal and we have like a 20 backends, okay? And there is like the 10 teams is working, each of them actually their own priority. So yes, conflict happen multiple way. One is some of the story, the feature need to go live in certain date, but we are depending on the other Scrum team. So when our team actually collaborate with them, set up a meeting with them, they don't have the priority. It is not wrong because they are working on their own priority. In this case, I get involved. Again, I do follow the same thing. I meet with the Scrum Master. I get to know the current, what is this called, the priority list. And I ask them, do you guys have any room to actually push our process? Simply they say no. What do? Well, you talk to the stakeholder because they gave us this work to be done. So in this moment, actually set up a meeting. I bring the stakeholder, the vice president, director, and the other Scrum Master. And I talk that what is our pipeline, what is our priority, and the stakeholder listen. So at this moment, the stakeholder and the vice president make the decision because they actually give the work on to all the team. They provide the priority, how the work should be delivered. So that's how I solve the problem.